Hello and good evening, everyone. Adam here, right back at you again. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Now, check out this beautiful car. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Now, this car is a Yenko Tribute. It has a 427 big block underneath the hood with a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, 12-volt positive traction rear end. This car is a highly optioned car. Power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning, has disc brakes on the front. So a very highly optioned 69 Camaro. This car has been a rotisserie restoration. The underneath this car is very nice as well. The paint, body, interior, everything on this car is very, very nice. This is a high quality Tribute. Daytona yellow. The whole interior has been all redone. The seats, the carpet, the dash, the door panels, the headliner, the sail panels, the package tray, the visors, the seat belts, everything's been redone on this car. The glass is all crystal clear in the car. The stainless trim and bright work on the car is also in great shape. See how nice the glass is, the mirrors, the door handles, the stainless around the windshield, the rally wheels, the BF Goodrich radial TA raised white letter tires. Chin spoiler, front Yenko license plate. There's that 427. It says 425 horsepower. It's probably got more than that, honestly. Underneath the hood, it's going to look pretty original. It does have a set of long tube headers on it, kind of a day 2 thing. But you'll see the original A-style AC compressor. Give you an idea so you can see how nice and clean and straight it is. They must have spent a lot of time making sure this car was super straight before they painted it. And they spent a lot of time sanding and buffing it and making it this nice. Inside the trunk, all spackle painted. And yes, they did put the insulation back there, which I looked in like 3 cars that other people had in the last few weeks, and it's like the back of the seat is just completely open. You can see all the springs and stuff. I'm like, oh, that's neat. Again, look at that crystal clear paint. Yeah. We'll start this thing up. It does have chambered exhaust on it as well. So this car is pretty correct for, you know, a lot of the things for a Yenko Tribute. Even the, you can't get it out of reverse, or out of the keys out of the ignition unless you put it in reverse, so that all works too. Bright lights, horn, wipers, radio, AM, FM radio. Left turn. car my whole life. Why am I going to sell it? Just because that's what we do here. We sell cars. But I'll tell you what, some of them are a lot harder to sell than others. Man, I tell you what a gorgeous 69 Camaro. Panels fit nice. This car is very, very well sorted out, folks. Yeah. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com. K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars like this every day, so give us a call if you want to buy this beautiful Yenko clone, or if you have a car you'd like to sell us, give us a call. Again, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if it wasn't dark out, I'd take you for a ride in this car, because I love driving it, but it's dark and I'm not going to chance hitting a deer or something with it. So give us a call. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.